Good morning, my name is Kirsten Tan. I'm originally from Mexico City, but I live in Lumberton, North Carolina. I am a diagnostic registered medical sonographer on the specialties of abdomen, OBGYN, and vascular. And echocardiography is just a way for me to add another feather into my cap. From day one, you start understanding the concepts all the way from the complexity of per se the continuity equation formula to how to position your patient to obtain the best windows to give the patient the best results. Lori and her team have done a fabulous job of condensing huge amount of information into something in a format that is very obtainable and available and relatable. Come over. The facilities are beautiful. It's state of the art. All of the accoutrements that you need for your personal safety, such as mask and gel, are readily available at the front desk upon your arrival. And the area itself is spotless. The cleaning personnel, thank you so much. They've done a wonderful job of cleaning every surface. I felt completely safe coming to the seminar during the COVID-19. It's invaluable to just kind of polish some of the skills that you may already have. And if not, most definitely Gulfcoast can take you from 0 to 60 in 60 seconds.